had some time between the morning hunt and the evening hunt, so just decided to go out and do some shed hunting. Just stumbled across this 3-point. Saw a little buck. Take it all day.
There she go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. First shed of the day. Sweet.
Saw that shed come around. Looks like a side-by-side set. Here's the right side.
He's down.
Did he go down?
I got him.
Oh, no way.
Oh,
I do have it. I had that exact one. I am not going to lie. I thought it. I did too. Oh, I did. I was afraid because the gun sighted you at 200. Yes. I thought you went right over his back. I aimed low. Before. Is that him throwing out? Right there. Where? Oh. Yeah. Right here. Oh, buddy. Look at those bases. Oh, dude, he has giant bases. Oh my God. Oh, dude. Dude, he's better. Dude, look at that. He is. Oh,
he's good.
Dude, that is so awesome. That's phenomenal buck, man.
That's a great
We
buck.
hunted so hard. Saw some good bucks, but man. Super stoked. Look at that. Look at those gnarly bases. He's just been scraping.
Beautiful.
Look at
His frame, his bases, eye
man.
guards.
I am super tickled. Look at that. Look at those front. Look how they come around. They almost like touch.
Those
man.
main beams
They're
are
so
huge.
tall.
They're good. That's
he's,
cool.
He's a lot better than what I think I gave him.
Dude, it's a good deal.
Dude, that was a great shot, man. Holy cow. Dude. Yes. Oh, we got eyes on him. Just walking up on this buck that Brett killed. Oh yeah, sweet. I don't know if you guys can see that yet. You can see his horn sticking out. Just a tall, beautiful deer. Oh man, look at that. Just tall. Look how big he is. Oh my gosh. Look how tall. Look at those back forks, man. Oh my gosh, look how tall he is. Just a giant buck. Dude.
Look at how tall his back.
Oh my gosh. Look how tall he is. Dude, awesome. 200-yard shot with the bone muzzy. Just smoked him. Oh, that is beautiful.